Good morning, everybody. So we got mini earnings this week coming up. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Welcome, everybody. So FRC is pumping from our box or our flag, getting near the $15. We got TMPO jumping almost 98%. Hologram, one of the top gainer before. Yeah, we have a huge pump for this stock in the pre-market. We'll see if we have a continuation. 21% in the pre-market. Welcome everybody. Doing good, Royal Ad. Thank you for asking. Luis, welcome, brother. Not in France. We don't have snow. Here is almost summer here. Weather is a bit hot. Jem, we're gonna narrow down our list before the market open. Welcome, George. George, good advice, brother. But we could actually trade with those stocks because high risk, high reward. As we said here, if you want to trade those stocks that can jump 50% in one day, like BBBY, you just buy around the support, sell around the resistance, exit. Don't stay. Don't hold it overnight. This is the only way to trade those stocks. We always say this. So that's why we have two area here on our Discord. We have day trade and swing trade. So swing trade is it's not for penny stocks. So most of those stocks is over the $5 or $3 or even 100. So this is why we do swing trade for those stocks. And day trade is the high volatile stock. Okay. So it depends on the strategy, George. So we don't have to be scared from those stocks. If we have a strategy, we don't have to be scared. GETR. Yeah, GTR doing crazy. Yeah, we hunted this on our power hour, but we didn't have the good reaction. The price got rejected and went down, but we're still holding over the $42 or 42 cents. So GTR now is testing a level of resistance around the 60 cents. We might have a continuation for GETR. PRST is down toward our bottom to $2.80. MGRX is bouncing back. MGRX is bouncing back. Nice, really nice. Yeah, we got resistance around the $1.74. Support is around here. So yeah, MGRX looking good. GETR looking good. CDTX no good. CFRX no good for now. UCAR 13% from the bottom, bouncing from the abyss. Yeah, this new IPO stock that jumped almost 1000%. Wish is still holding. Yeah, we got some support, still holding the support. PTBI still holding over the support. EYPT, yeah, not good. FRC looking really juicy and interesting. BBY, yeah, we have a reversal for BBY. Yes, we talked about it in the pre-market, and we said that once we break the 19, we're gonna have the 23, as long as we hold, of course, over this support, the 14. So yeah, we discuss it today on our pre-market. Yeah, pre-market, not watch list, but yeah, I think on the watch list. Yeah, BBY was on the 5th. Yeah, so we hitting the profit taking around the 23. So I'll put it here on the 23.70. Interesting. Yeah, the 23. We visited 23. Now we got the 26 as a resistant. Yeah, the 26 should be a resistant. So everybody knows that BBY went down because of bankruptcy. That's why we have a huge plunge down. In pre-market was almost 45% down. Oh man, Dana, thank you for I forgot to change that. I forgot to change the thumbnail. Yeah, thank you, Dana, for let us know to correct this problem. Sorry, guys. I really hate to do thumbnails, you know. I just did this automatically. I used the same like the same thing that I used before for the like the name, everything. So in YouTube you could just copy paste or reuse the like all the things that you already put, so you don't have to write it down every time. So that's why when you say Friday, I just used the last thing. So thank you, Dana, for let us know that we have a thumbnail of Friday live trading, not Monday. Yeah, we got TMPO. This is the biggest gainer for today. I think this one as well. We got two reverse split. I think this one almost 10,000% gain in pre-market, and the other one 4,000%, and the other one 1,000%, and the other one almost 2,000%. So all of that I think is reverse split. So if we go, yeah, most of them are reverse split. So this one doesn't, yeah, it's not good. It's not good. So yeah, we got TMPO looking interesting for a continuation for today. We already hit the first profit that we discussed it in the pre-market. So we got something here to watch. Yeah, now is $2.70. We might have the $2.70 for this one, another 100%. Wow, this one looking juicy, guys. TMPO. Exactly. Let us put it second after FRC. Boom. So we got this, we got FRC. Yeah, FRC will move today. We have a breakout from this flag holding the 1350, going toward the 15. Hologram as well, looking really juicy for today. Breaking the $3.50 will be interesting. But this one look a bit dangerous because I'm not confident enough with the breakout, you know. We might have a fake out. We'll see. MULN looking nice. MULN holding a support. Holding a support over the 10. So MULN looking better than hologram. AUGX. This one is dicey. We have a breakout in the pre-market and rejection. I will see if we still holding here. Boom. And breakout should be around there. We'll see. NXPL, no good. BBY, yeah, still looking interesting here. EYPT, PTBI. Yeah, PTBI will take time because we plunge big time. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put GETR and MGRX down below, and I put have to organize my list here depending on the possibility of the trade, of course. BBY, SFR, this one not good. I don't like the chart. Decisions, man, decisions. I have to decide which one would be a good trade for today to follow up. Yeah, wish will take time to break this level. So yeah, wish is a bit dicey here. This one as well. Let's go to our list and check ACON, jumping 63% or almost 73 in pre-market. Let's see if we might get some profit from this stock if it jumped once again, because we got rejection and resistance in pre-market. We got almost 3 earnings, pretty nice earnings, fundamentally looking interesting. We'll see a continuation for this one from the $1.67 until the $2.39, 40% and 90%. Yeah, looking juicy. This one looking juicy. If we held here, would be really juicy. Let me add ACON to the list. Go back and check this one, GETY. We already hit 2 profit taken. Wow, we already hit 2 profit taken for this one and plunged down. This is really crazy volatile stock. What a madness, man. Just pre-market we have this reaction. This means we're gonna have a great day today. But the trick is, for this one we don't have clear support. We have clear bottom, but support I don't trust the $6.90. We'll see the break next time for the $8.50 would be great trade for us to go toward the 10 once again and beyond. We already jumped before. I think we already cut this one before. Yeah, it went really high before, around the 23, I believe. We might have another squeeze for this one because it squeezed before over the $30. So I would put it on the list because it's the top gainer. The stock doesn't play around. Main business. We need stocks mean business, or stock that been traded by market maker or big whale. This one look heavily manipulated. Yeah, this one, nope, I don't like it. No thank you. This one maybe $4, $5, 35, and we have we got a bottom, but it's a bit far for the entry. It's kind of risky a bit. It's getting near kind of a resistance zone around the 6. We need a pullback. Yeah, we need a pullback at least here. Let me just change that to here. But you know what? This one I don't trust it that much. NLST, I think. Yeah. BANT. Nope. Okay. AVTX. GETY. ACON. We might have quick action for this one. Get in and get out. We are really near the support. Yeah, we're really near. This one, TMPO. Yeah. You know what? This one, yeah, the entry is kind of dicey. Oh man, Imyolan going back down. We got some good news for Imyolan, that's why it's pumping. GETR. Hologram. Yeah, hologram's coming back. So I think I'm gonna focus on which one. Yeah, TMPO, I'm gonna take it from the list. Don't like the chart anymore. So I put instead ACON. So we got GETY, ACON, maybe Imulin if we broke the 1255, and of course FRC, GETR getting rejected, but if we broke the 60 would be interesting play. Hologram, I will put that yes here. Hologram, yeah, looking good. We might have a huge pump for hologram. Yeah, this one looking nice. And let me see if we have something here. We got something here. Let's see if we hold this one. AUGX is a bit dicey. We have a fake out around the 3. MGRX still. BBBY getting rejected, of course, around the 23. Okay, let me just put hologram. Perfect. Let's see what's going on. Let's drink our holy water before the market open. We'll check your question, guys, in a bit. I know, brother, I know. Almost 200 people watching, but just 29 likes, as we said before. This is the issue that we have to remind people to like the live streaming, but we know that traders are more focused on trading than liking the video, because in trading you have to be focused to trade, not to just like and comment and things like this. So I understand completely. That's why we have many people actually watching, but they don't like the stream. I've been in this in that situation as well. When I watch live streaming for trader before, I forget to like. And but the only solution for that, I think, if you want to rewatch for educational purposes, because live streaming is really good to learn, you could actually rewatch the live streaming, and when rewatch it, you could actually like the video, because there is no trading, that the market will be closed. And this live streaming will be uploaded automatically after we finish the stream today, so you could rewatch it. Okay, so if you miss one of the stock, if you want to know the entry, exit, something like this, you can rewatch our live streaming later on. And of course you can share our live streaming to your friends and family if you know someone who want to learn how to trade and try to at least not losing money. I'm John. This is the way to do it, you know? Once you click on the live stream, you like first off, because if you didn't, you're gonna forget for sure. This is the best way to not forget. Luis asked about Lunar. Let me just check Lunar. Lunar. Okay, 1%. Boom. Let me adjust the level. Yeah, it's been a while last time we checked Lunar, because it plunged down big time from the $14, man. Wow, from the 14. I think this sell off triggered around the 19th of April. Yeah, 19th of April. Now we got resistance here. Just watch out for this one. We kind of about to break the bottom. We might have a continuation if we broke this level. Price is struggling to hold the bottom, the $8.80. Resistance is around the $9.78. Profit taken should be next time if we bumped around the $11.70. Just watch out. The seller still will add around this level if we broke the 9. Okay guys, we got 2 minutes left on the opening bell. Just remember that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you. Never run after the price. And as you can see here, we have the earnings calendar for those stocks. Today we have Coca-Cola, Royal Philips, and Bank of Hawaii Corporation. This is today earnings for those stocks. We might add Coca-Cola to see if we have something here. Coca-Cola, where's Coca-Cola? Yeah, Coke. Boom. The favorite stock for Warren Buffett. Yes, it's breaking first level. Boom. Yeah, looking good. Almost 1%. Yeah, Coca-Cola looking good, guys. Really surprising, like looking good. I think Warren Buffett adding his position on Coca-Cola because it's going to all-time high around the 66. This is crazy. 67, yeah. We might have the $100 for this year. We have a huge selling pressure here. Yeah, huge good earnings. Last bad earnings was around 2019. Imagine. Always we have good earnings for this one. So Coca-Cola looking good. So let's go back to our volatile stocks. Let's go. Markets open in few seconds. 10 seconds now at the open of the market for today. Let's get right to it and let's hunt. FRC. FRC getting sold off on the market open. Let's see if we hold the 14. Let's see if we hold the 14 for FRC. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. Yeah, we need to hold the 1420 for FRC. Yes, here. We need to hold here for FRC, guys. Watch out. MULN is pumping from the bottom. Hologram is pumping. ACON, GETY. So hologram looking nice. Hologram looking nice. Hologram looking nice. Let's see if we break the $3.50 for hologram. Support should be over the $3. Let's see if we held over the $3.07. It's pumping. Oh man, you can actually it's pumping. Hologram is pumping. We need to break the $3.50 to have a huge squeeze for hologram. ACON not looking good, so I'll put it here. GETY not looking good, so I'll put hologram first. MULN not good. FRC looking really good, I'll put it second. TMPO not looking good. GETR still looking good, so I'll put it third. MGRX not looking good. IUGX nope. Which stock will be good for today? Yeah, UCAR looking really nice now for a break. For a break from this level. Let's see a break from the $10 for UCAR in order to go once again around the 23. We must see a huge pump for this one once again. 100%. Yeah, I would put UCAR around this area because it's about to pump as well. Yeah, let's go back to hologram and see if we have a break from the $3.50. FRC is pumping, guys. FRC is pumping, guys. Officially, FRC is pumping. FRC is pumping. Let's see FRC. Okay, FRC is pumping, guys. FRC, I think today will be today for FRC. Let's go. Okay. FRC is pumping. Let's see hologram. Yeah, hologram have a bit of rejection, but FRC is pumping. Today it might be for FRC. Today might be for FRC. Yeah, today will be for FRC, guys. If we broke the 500, let's watch FRC for squeeze now. FRC for squeeze from the 1490. Come on, this is the day would be for FRC if we broke the 1490. You already have average around the 1420 for FRC. Now we're gonna have a squeeze. FRC, let's put it FRC first for today. FRC looking good toward the 1675. Let's go. 4% FRC. 4%, just 4%. FRC, everybody knows, could actually do 50% or 100% easily. Support is spotted around the 1420. We need to hold it for today for a continuation for 1670. Now it's testing the resistance. Let's see the $15. Let's see hologram just quick. Okay, hologram is not good. Let me just close this trade. It's really bad. We have a fake out. We enter this really small position for this one. ACN is pumping. Let me just put hologram here. ACON is pumping. Okay, let me just open small position for ACON because looking nice and is near the support. Yeah, looking kind of nice here. GETY not good now. GETR still. GETY, yeah, got shorted. Hologram got shorted as well, but still didn't have a sell-off until the $2.66. I will watch for the $3.50 break later on. Yeah, FRC looking good. ACON looking good. This is the bottom support for ACON. As we hold it, we're gonna break the $1.67, going toward the $2.37 squeeze for ACON. So we watching ACON and we watching FRC. FRC is breaking, guys. FRC is going toward the $15. $14.98 now. Yes, FRC looking good. Now it's testing the resistance. This is normal. Testing the resistance. We have a new high for today. Really new high. We need to see the $15 for a squeeze. $15. Let's check ACON. I think we halted for ACON around the 86% up. Let's see how much we can do for today if we squeezed. Yeah, wow, 70% for ACON easily. 70%. If we held the $1.15 will be good. for ACON. FRC is still testing. Come on, what we waiting for? We need another 10% pump. Yeah, another 10%. UCAR, if we pumped from the $10.50 would be a good trade. Hologram, not good. Wow, MULN is not good. TMPO, you see, that's why we didn't put it first, because I don't like the chart. We broke the support now. AUGX, not good. MGRX, not good now. BBY, aha, BBY looking good. Yeah, testing twice the resistance. You know what I'm gonna do? I put it on the third place. PRC, not good. CDX as well, not good. CFRX, Toro, not good. So this one, TNYA, looking good. PTBI, let me just check Wish. No. So we got TNYA, yeah, looking good. Let me just put it up here to check it later. Let's go to FRC. Yeah, we have a rejection. Normal, because this is the squeeze area for FRC. ACON still halted. And BBY got rejected around the 23. Let's go back to FRC and watch closely, because it's about to squeeze now. I was wishing if the price actually gapped, you know. Usually FRC always gap in the pre-market. The squeeze will be much easier if we gapped over the $15 in pre-market. But even though now it's the $15, yeah, $15, we're gonna have continuation, because this is the price that we waiting for since 2 months, man. 2 months we waiting for the test for the $15. It's been a while. So finally FRC going back to the $15 break. But now is the moment of truth, because we need the break. We don't want a price get rejected here. Let's see if we have hidden seller for FRC around this technical area. Yeah, the $15, we have a huge seller, 15,000. 15,000 has been added around the $15. $15 is a huge seller there. Huge seller. But the idea is, even though with this huge seller, there's buying pressure from below. So this is good. So when we see this kind of huge seller coming up, but the price is still holding, this is good. This means there is a big buyers eating away all the sellers. So this is good. This is good. Again, another 11,000 on the 15,000 on the $15, and it's been eaten away by a huge whale. Market is squeezing. The short is running now. The short is running now because it's been the covering up now. It's covering up. $15, $15.08, $15.05. So now we're gonna have a squeeze. Now we're gonna have the squeeze. Yes, FRC going to the moon. And this one is pumping as well, guys. This one pumping. ACON. We have 2 trade open for ACON and FRC, of course. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's pumping. FRC is pumping. And this one is pumping as well. $1.67 will open the gate for a huge squeeze for ACON. FRC is going toward the 1675. This is the profit taken. First one, just 10%. This is nothing for FRC, because if we squeeze, we're gonna have more than that. More than that. I believe this price has been accumulating for this time, like since we got shorted last time around March. Imagine March We've been accumulating here for 2 months, man. So don't see that FRC will go around the 16, then will go down. No, 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 no. This accumulation is not normal, guys. This is bank accumulating, you know? Bank been accumulating and making the price actually below the $15 synthetically. Okay, so this is the price they wanted, FRC below the $15 by kind of decision. That's why after we break the $15, we're gonna have a huge flood, man. We should have a huge flood and going even halting up toward the 20 at least. This would be good if we saw the 20 for FRC. So we're gonna have a continuation. You see this huge green candle? We have almost 1 million in this just 15-minute candle. Almost 1 million. So this is good volume. This is good. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go for FRC continuation toward the 1675. Yeah, we're already 5% on this one. Let's see a continuation. ACON have a bit of gravitation down. Let's check the other one because this one is still going. ACON high volatile. This one we have a huge gap. We halted, then we went down. You know why? Because we are still below the $1.67. The good thing for this one, if we want to have a mega squeeze, is halting up over the $1.67 will trigger a huge squeeze toward the $2.37, and this one could do easily another 40%. But I'm watching the $1.15. If we broke it, it's mean it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. We'll see. Yeah, BBBY, GETR, ACON, FRC still holding. The seller is still adding. They're not leaving because we don't have halt. Normally, if we have a squeeze for FRC, we usually have a huge halt, like almost 3 halt up, you know. So the price actually gap up, gap up, gap up. This is how FRC behave. But now after the price kind of got shorted until the 11, we have a bit of doubt and some people holding bags, and that's why we see some cautious in the chart in FRC. We don't have a continuation like before. Yeah, ACON got shorted once again near the resistance here. So now we halted down. We'll watch after the unhalting. If we still holding the $1.15 is good. If not, we're gonna have a continuation and sell off down. So I prefer holding over the $1.15. We don't want to have the price go below that because we might see a drop even below the $1. So the $1.15 should be a support. Otherwise we're gonna have a flush down almost 16%. But if we went down after unhold another 11%, okay. And after that we have to have a reversal. No price go below the $1.15. Will give us a squeeze indication. Otherwise, no good. FRC, on the other hand, is still holding. As we said, as long as we hold the 1420, we are to go to the moon. As long as we hold the 1420 for FRC, we set to moon landing today. Moon landing for FRC. We need to hold over the 15 though now to confirm a strength for the chart. BBY is about to break the 2370. BBY is about to break now the 2370. This is good. We have support around the 19. 2370 is the breakout. Let me just check how much we can do after that. Yeah, another 10% here around 2650. Yeah, hologram was really good trade, but we didn't break. You see here the wick around the $3.46. We didn't break. Muren as well got rejected on pre-market around our resistance, the 12. Yeah, we have many rejections for today. Many rejections. Even for TNYA. But the main thing is FRC. The main subject for today market is FRC. We already discussed it in our power hour, in our Patreon, and we discussed it even today. Yeah, we discussed it in power hour when we did our first power hour in our Patreon hunt. We might do more often now. Each Friday we might do power hour, especially here on Patreon, to hunt before the market close and discuss the stocks that have potential to squeeze the next week. And yeah, BBY, it was good trade here, but after that we got rejected. After this flag break, we got rejected and we went down. FRC going toward the 1675. Breakout alert. If you just came here, we're hunting for FRC. We're already entered around the 1420 average price. So now we're already almost 7% or 5%. But yeah, as we said, the FRC, it was heavily shorted before, so we're watching for a squeeze after this huge accumulation. As we said, market maker just synthetically make the price below the 15, man. They hold it for days, for months even, not days. And now we have the break from the $15. We watch because now there's kind of rejection coming up around this area, the 1560, around this AMA. Hopefully we don't have a rejection here, man. I don't like it if we get rejected there around this AMA. So now it's testing just below this level. There's a test, a huge test. Yeah, that's why we went below the $15 now. There's kind of resistance here. Yeah, this is kind of weakness going below the 15 once again. ACON, unhalted down, now unhalted up. As we said, $1.15 is the bottom for ACON for today. And this is good that we are halted up. See how much we do, man. Just from unhalting, we did almost 15%. This is crazy. Just in 1 minute or one even few seconds, we did 15 minutes. This is the action, you know? This is the action I'm talking about. ACON looking good, guys, and we might have a huge squeeze for this one once we break the $1.67. As long as we hold the $1.15. And of course, the 95 cents. So this box, if we broke it, is mean a sell-off for today. I will never traded this one. As long as we hold here, we're gonna have a continuation and squeeze. As we said, we might have a squeeze of, let me just calculate it from now, another 40%. Boom. That's why we put it second with FRC. So both of them looking good. Yeah, FRC have a bit of pullback, but this is normal. As we said, the 1420 is the support for today, and this week to have a continuation and squeezing. Yeah, it's doing good. We have a retake for a new high now around the 1533. 1533 for the new high. And we waiting for ACON break. ACON break. Stan Jack, of course. Gonna check FTEK, one of our member on YouTube. Of course. Stack, you have the blue stars, mean you're new member. Yeah, the blue stars mean you kind of new. I think the dark blue is really new, but you are light blue. It mean you've been with us over 1 month. Okay, brother. It's really easy to see which one who actually support our Hunter channel on here on YouTube. To see just from the color on the star, I see who's been with us over 1 month or 3 months or 6 months, just depending on the color. Morning. Here, good afternoon. In Paris, is good afternoon. Let me just check. Some say BBY is squeezing. Not yet. We're still testing. Yeah, we're still testing. We have the 2650. This is really good reversal, guys, for a BBY. From the 45% down, now 19% down. This is good. We have a huge reversal. Even after the bankruptcy, we could make a good trade, as we said today in our pre-market hunt. There's always possible to make a trade from the bottom up. See with me. This one is pumping once again 91%. Yeah, BBY testing, really testing now the breakout. 2380, still testing. It's about to break. BBY is about to break. Still testing. You see what's happening here? Awake rejection. And this still halted around the $1.32. ACON, top gainer for today. And FRC is still holding over the breakout zone around the $15. This is normal, guys, because we have a huge seller added around the 1530. This level has been like a wall of China of short. There is a huge whale of short is adding huge position here. So this is normal that we don't have a huge squeeze here for FRC. Okay, unhalted. ACON unhalted and is ready to pump over the 1.67. Let's see a retake. The next test here would be explosion, guys, for this one. We might get unhalted over the 1.67. This would be great. ACON, high risk, high reward. This one, high risk, high reward. I'm telling you guys. We're already 97% up, almost 100% up. See what's happening here? Still testing. Yeah, the market today, guys, is not aggressive. like last week. We don't have a continuation. We don't have like a huge bump for the stocks, you know? We have many rejections today. Are we gonna have different story with this one? Because now is 100% up. Yeah, $1.50. We need to break the $1.67. Yeah, $1.54. Come on, 54, $1.54, 53. Still struggling here. There is a huge seller, hidden seller, guys, between the $1.67, $1.60. Here, a huge seller is hiding for ACON. And this one is still struggling to go over. And we need to have a bit patience with FRC, okay? We need to have a bit of patience. As we said before, we've been trading here below the $15 for months. So the short sellers are really strong here. But FRC want to squeeze, because this is not normal breakout. This is not normal breakout. It's like Lord of the Rings, you know, if you watch this movie, you know, the wall when it broke from the goblins, everything crashing down. Like before, like the goblins actually try to break the wall. They try everything, like stairs. They try the big thing, like with fire, to break the wall. But after the wall broken, the war is kind of almost over, because you know what's gonna happen next. Either the other guys who broke the wall gonna win, because 99% of the side who actually break the wall will win the war, actually. And behind the wall, who's the side will lose. So here the same scenario. The seller is hiding below or behind this wall. After this broken, we have a bit of resistance, but is officially game over. Once we break here, the short seller have to go back and find another wall toward the 1675, and here we're gonna have another fight. But here the game should be over and continue toward here. 1775 is kind of have retreat, you know. It's kind of like in war, you have to retreat because you have kind of power imbalance. So now we still have a bit of fight for the short seller, but as we said, $15 been broken, so the short seller have to go back and retreat. ACON is about to pump, guys. You need to have patience. ACON, you need to have patience. This is normal. We have a lot of selling pressure because we are below this resistance. So the price is about to squeezing. ACON is about to squeeze, guys. Watch out. ACON $1.64. The squeeze $1.67, just 2 cents or 3 cents, I believe. So we're gonna have a huge wick here, a huge squeeze if we broke the $1.67. Watch out, this one should be a top gainer for today. $1.66. Come on, we're gonna have a squeeze. What's gonna happen? ACON, it's not over.
Okay.
Come on. $1.66. We're gonna get halted, guys. Here we're gonna get halted. 124%. What a day, man. What a day. So our average is around the $1.43. Let me see if we could actually take profit here around the resistance. We might actually let it go because we might have a gap up for this one. $1.66. Yeah, here we actually broke on my broker. We broke the $1.69. Okay, this one could be a runner, guys. FRC is still holding, and this one could be the runner for today. I think we got halted around the $1.66. Okay, this one, after the unhalting, we're gonna have a huge gap, guys. We're gonna have a huge gap here around below the $2. So we have to be quick and take a bit of profit just below the $2. Yes, Jim, good, good. You know why you sold? Jim, I have a hypothesis here. You sold because you over leveraged. I think you have a huge position on this stock. If you don't want to get out on this stock and make at least 40%, 50%, and you never have this kind of panic, you have to put small position, brother. So if you have, let's say, 100,000 portfolio, just put 1,000. Just put 5,000 top. Don't put 50,000, 20,000. Of course, you're gonna sell just with 2 cents. Not the indication, man. If we get halted is not that indication that the price will get sold off. On the contrary, when we get halted, some stocks actually go to 1,000% when get halted up. So we're gonna see ACON is gonna get halted over the $1.66, and we might see the test for the $2. FRC is still struggling. BBBY is still struggling. MULN, TMPO, Wish, TRO. Yeah, so we got 2 stocks, guys, on the list. ACON, we already entered around this area, the $1.34. And yeah, we said the support is around the $1.15. As long as we hold the $1.15, we're gonna get squeezed, and we got halted down. You see what's happened here? And the price unhalted and went up and hold over the $1.15, then squeezed. And guess what? We got halted once again just below our resistance, the $1.67, and we halted around the $1.66. So the game plan after the unhalting, we're gonna have the price gap around the $2, nearly the $2, and guess what? We're gonna get unhalted down once again. So I suggest to take profit a bit around the $2 and the rest around the $2.39, just to lower your risk. FRC is accumulating. Try to do something here. It's still accumulating. So this is accumulation will be good. If we hold over the 15, then continue to go higher. This will be good for FRC. And this one is kind of juicy. This one is kind of juicy. Yeah, $1.65. I think we unhalted now. Maybe. Nope, we're still halted around the $1.66. We'll wait for the unhalting for ACON. 124%. Some of you will say is overextended, but as we said, if the technical support or idea that there's still pump waited to be made is not overextended. It depends on our technical. Don't just look at the percentage wise, because a lot of people just look at the percentage and say is game over. Okay, so we are unhalted around the $1.59. I don't like this reaction. We should have actually halted over the $1.67. Anyway, we're still holding. Now is about to break. breaking. $1.66, $1.69. Yes, we breaking. $1.71. Great. $1.72. Yeah, we on halting. Good, good. We're still testing. $1.69. Let's see a continuation now. What's gonna happen here? $1.67. Okay, let me just take a bit of profit here before we have kind of rejection. I will hold a bit. Let's see to see what's gonna happen here. FRC is bumping, by the way. FRC is bumping. This one is tricky. It's bumping, it's bumping, it's bumping. This one is squeezing, of course. $1.67. We're gonna go toward the $2. We have a kind of break now. Let me just check. Yeah, we have a break. Okay, nice. We have a good trade here. Yes, our average is around the $1.43 and squeezing. So we'll keep it. I think this one will have a huge gain for today. Let's see the $2 now. $1.80. $1.81. Let's do a trail stop. So if you don't want to have miss on the trade, you just do a trail stop. So our stop should be over the $1.67, and we're gonna have a ride. We ride this trade to the moon. We don't have to sell, you know. We don't have to sell. We have to squeeze it. We squeeze all the profit, like this one, you know, FRC. We have to squeeze this trade. We don't have to exit, man. So this one, I will put it here, breaking even for FRC, because we're already entered for FRC around the 1420. So we're already up. So we don't have to sell. ACON, we're already up almost 30% now. Let me just check how much from this area. $1.43, $1.43, $1.43, or 14. Wait a second, what's going on here? Yeah, this one, $1.43. Yeah, 28% now, or 29%. We're already up 29% on this one. Let's check if we can squeeze it. Let's see how much we can actually make. 30%, 40%, everything is doable, man. If we do a train stop instead, getting scared and take profit really early. This is how many trader and many and I'm one of them, getting really early from winning trade and getting really late from losing trade. And this is why we lose money. Even if we have a good day or good week, we don't capitalize on it. We don't expand the profit, because if you have a huge profit and many losses but small losses, you end up in green, man. Trust me, you always end up in green. But if you always take your profit early, let's say 5%, 4%, but when you lose 10%, 20%, you end up always in deficit. This is the most important thing, law in trading. A lot of people don't talk about it and think about like winning trade, but they don't think about what's the percentage for the winning trade. This is, I think, by far the most important thing. I think we are halted now for ACON. So this one, I will keep it. Yeah, we had the $2. Yeah, I think we had the $2 on my broker. Yeah, $2.06, and here we hit the $1.85. So we're gonna open over the $2 for this one. Over the $2, the profit taken is the $2.39. So we could actually exit around the $2.39 fully, and will be almost, for me, the average price $1.43 until here will be up 65%. So I will take just profit around the $2 because we might anticipate a rejection before that. because now is kind of risky. Yeah, here we might have a rejection, guys. Here we might have a rejection. After unhalting, we might have a rejection. Okay, FRC looking good. FRC still looking good. Great hunt, everybody. Great hunt. ACON going to the moon. We already entered for ACON when the market opened around the $1.43 here. When the price went down, we said everything is good as long as we hold the $1.15. The squeeze triggered around the $1.67. So we entered below the squeeze around the $1.67. Price squeeze, now we halted around the $1.85. We're going to open around the $2. I'm gonna take my profit around there because we're already up big time here. So we'll be up almost 40% on this trade. So I'm gonna take my profit. I don't want to be greedy on this one. So I'll close it when we get unhalted. Let's see. I think we unhalted now. No. Let's see. FRC is still pumping, guys. Watch out. FRC toward the 1675. And this one is going to the moon. We're waiting for unhalting for ACON. Yeah, it's pumping, guys. It's pumping. I'm gonna take my profit here. I'm gonna take my profit before the unhalting. Boom. We exited around the $2.14. Boom. We halted again around the $2.13. This one, guys, going to the moon. Oh man, this one was good trade. So for this one, we entered around the $1.43. We exited around the $2.13. 50% gain. 50% gain for ACON trade. Great. GETY, not good. We'll take it from the trade, from the list. We got FRC and ACON. ACON going toward the $2.39. As we said, the squeeze started around the $1.67. We already talked about it here in our watch list stocks. Yes, TMPO, hologram, let me just check. Yeah, ACON, I think, yeah, we check it here. ACON. Okay, ACON, actually we saw it on our watch list, no, on our live streaming. Yeah, we spotted on our live streaming. So ACON, great hunt for us. Let's see a continuation for ACON toward the $2.39. FRC, I'm still watching FRC for continuation toward the 1675. BBBY going down. Okay, so we have to be focused now. This one is about to squeeze as well. TNYA. We might have the $8, now $6. This one is really strong, guys. This one is mean business. But today is ACON day. What a hunt for this one, guys. What a hunt. What a hunt. Really great hunt for us for ACON. Hopefully you cut this trade with us, guys. Jem, man, Jem, you have to be zen, man. You don't have to be afraid. You have to be confident. If you have confidence, you can do everything in trading. Confident. If we hold the support, good. If we don't hold, good. You exit, no problem. Take the loss. You're wrong. This is make it easier for trade. Everything is easy if you have set of rules and discipline and you stick to them, you know? Whatever happened, you know? Admit that you're wrong, move on. There's other opportunity. Louise, up 19%. Finally, Louise started to listen to the hunter wave trading. Be patient, enter near the support and sell around the resistance. This is Louise, how to make good trades, okay? Naim John, exactly. As we said, high risk, high reward. Jim, if you want to be up 15%, you have to be patient. Coding phase. Okay. Let's go, guys. FRC is pumping, guys. FRC, we have good to trade. FRC, I'm still didn't close this trade around the 1420. So this one I'm not gonna close it, guys. This one I'll keep it because FRC, as we said, is going to the moon. So I will be patient with this one. ACON, I will be opening another trade, but not now. I have to be extremely careful with ACON because it's overextended. For FRC, is not overextended, it's just started. ACON is overextended, guys. It's getting near our rejection area. Here, after the unhalting, we're gonna have a test here and we might have a huge drop down. Okay, so we just watch out. This should be the first limit. Then we're gonna have a drawback. So I'm not entering now. I would be on the sideline. See with me. We are up almost 200%. So warning sign, guys. Warning sign. We might see a 400% is doable, okay? For ACON, the top price for me is another 50%, around the $3.23. But again, we have to confirm another support. I'm not entering. I don't want another 50%. We already did 50%. We don't have to be greedy and lose the 50%. So the idea is to be on the sideline, have a good entry, then we could actually initiate another trade. Okay, FRC is pumping, guys. To the moon. FRC to the moon. Yeah, we're already up 10% for FRC. And ACON is already 50%. We already closed this trade. Now it's up to $2.29 FRC or ACON, guys. ACON, oh man, it's going toward our profit taking, the $2.39. Yeah, it's still pumping, guys. This one is going to the moon. And now it's getting shorted. Now it should actually go down because we are already testing our resistance. We already didn't test it, but getting near. So we might get halted down. So I'm watching now. I'm watching what's gonna happen. So I already took my profit around the $2.13 because we're getting really here near the resistance, and I don't want to hold pretty high because if we get halted down, guys, we lose. We can actually close the trade. There is no stop loss. So it's really risky here, you know? Even we are 50%, but we have to protect the gain, you know? It's not gambling here. The gain, just think about it. The gain that you made is your money. Don't think as like, okay, if I lose, those gain is it's free money. No, it's your money. Oh man, now it's testing $2.34, 35. Oh man, it's about to squeeze. I think we halted now. No, false halt. Oh man, this one is really crazy. I have to admit it. $2.39. Yeah, testing our resistance, the $2.39. I think now we getting halted. Yeah, $2.39. Okay, we halted again. No, false halt again. I need a pullback now. We need to pull back here. I'm not trusting it. Yeah, pullback. Now we have to have a huge pullback now. Yeah. Profit taking triggered. Profit taking triggered. Now we should have a huge selling pressure, guys. Now we have to have a pullback. Come on, we need a pullback. Come on, don't do this to me. I'm starting to get FOMO. Yes, pull back. Pull back now. I said pull back. I said go back down. Come on, go back down so we could enter on the reversal. Now I don't want to get in. I'm not. Even if we broke the $2.39, I'm not getting in. It's too much, man. It's too expensive here. And I think the market maker think the same. Yeah. Come on, go down. Yeah, go down. Yeah. $2.40 is our resistance. Confirmed. FRC is going, guys. FRC slow and steady toward the 1675. And ACON got shorted around the $2.39. Yes, getting shorted. Now we getting shorted. That's why we said take your profit around the $2.39. Exit, guys. Take your profit. Run away. Now we're gonna have a pullback. A pullback. Let's see price holding up over here, the $1.85. If we held it, would be perfect. If we held it, would be perfect. This one would be really good. Luis, good job. $2.16, good profit. Yes. Kim, good profit. Good, guys. This is the Hunter Tribe. Yeah, Hunter Tribe is green today. This is good. Okay. Still good, going down for ACON. Now we have a confirmed resistance around the $2.39. This was a profit taken. Now it's going down. We need to have a reversal around this gap, the $1.85 here. Then continue to go higher would be good. Confirmed resistance, guys, $2.39. $2.16. Boom. Yeah. Many of you exited here around our resistance. This is good. Good hunt, guys. Don't get greedy now. Now let's watch for FRC. FRC looking good toward the 1675. We're ready up now. Let me just check for FRC. Yeah, we're ready entered around the 1420. Perfect entry around the bottom here. Boom, the price is pumping now around the $16. Yes, nice hunt, guys. Nice hunt for this one. Yeah, good day today, guys. Good day. ACON 50% gain, and FRC now almost 12%. So all of, like two of them is almost 60% or 65%. Nice. But for FRC, I'm not closing it because this is just the start, guys. This trade is just the start. This is just the start for a huge gain for FRC and huge pump for today. We might see the $20 for today for FRC. First profit taken should be the $16.75, then the $19. Oh man, this one would be juicy for today. FRC, slow and steady. Watch out, guys. Watch out, watch out. FRC is slow and steady to the moon. ACON, the check, yeah, got rejected right around our resistance, guys. Don't get FOMO and buy on the top. We bought around this accumulation area, and when the market opened here, you see here, that was a great entry. So always enter near the support, guys. New trader always get FOMO and buy here when the price get halted up. This is where the market maker sell you their shares because they buy cheaper and they sell you the expensive oversold price or overbought price. Ah, man. Yeah, we halted down now. We halted down for ACON. Luis, yes, it hit our profit taking perfectly around the $2.37. But you know why I always take my profit before the limit? Because usually sometimes your order never be filled. So I will be more often to take profit if I'm already up 50%, 40%. I will take my profit even before the limit, okay? But if I'm up like 10%, I will keep it, you know? But if I am up 50%, I'm not getting greedy. I don't need the other 20% because I'm already up 50%, you know? Okay, FRC is still bombing, guys. FRC, our trade is still open for FRC. Around the 14.20 average price. Now is around the 17 or almost 16, yeah. ACON halted down. I think we are good for today. We could actually stop trading for today. Usually when we have a good day like this, it's not wise to overtrade, you know? When you're up like 60%, 70% in a day, you have to call it. Because the more you trade, the more risk that you start to lose, you know? Remember, guys, we always do our live streaming daily around 3 p.m. CET. If you're new here, just put a reminder or put a notification bell so you never forget. And plus the like button and the way in, because most of our hunters always forget when they actually start to watch our live streaming, and they forget to like the live streaming. And the way why I say like the live streaming is not for ego purposes, like I want to have more likes, but this is how YouTube algorithm works, you know. The more likes, the more that actually suggested to other hunters or other traders. And that's why we have it here, why we do our live streaming, to help other trader out, you know. That's why we do our live streaming, to show you guys how to buy, how to sell, and never buy around the top and buy around the bottom. Simple to say, but hard to do, because many traders is kind of triggered with FOMO. When the price jump, they buy really expensive and they started losing money. ACON. Yeah, halted down. We went until the $1.90. BBBY, ACON. We watching ACON. Oh man, this one is not over. 187 and still pumping. We have rejection around the $2.39 or 37. Yeah, 37. But still, I'm not convinced yet. We don't have the support is a bit far around the $1.67. Resistance is here around the $2.39. I want to confirm the resistance once again. FRC is started to go down. let's see where we gonna go for FRC. You know, guys, the idea is in trading, you have to be willing to lose money in order to make money. So if you enter in trade and you just put your head that you want to make money, you always end up closing the trade early, or you don't respect your strategy and take your profit early, or you do a lot of stupid mistake. I do it usually because the main question is the main frame that you think this is what sabotage your trade. So as we said, if you just have one thing you focus on is profit, you end up losing because you close your trade early. You be scared because you're not willing to take the loss. And I realized this really late in my trading. It's really hard to do, but you have to always ask yourself question. Why you enter trade and why you exit, and that's why journaling is really important in trading. This one is going down. Okay, we have first 5-minute pullback. This is normal. This is normal. This is normal. We're still waiting for the 1675. This one's still looking good, but I'm not entering yet. Not entering yet. GETY. It was wise that we didn't put it in our list. I don't like the chart. Hologram. It's wise that we exited from this trade once we have this sell-off. You see here? So this is good that we exited. We don't like the trade as well. MULN, we don't take it. TMPO. It's not good. TNYA. Looking nice. This one. Yeah, we got good stocks and bad ones. BBBY didn't break the 2390. We didn't break the 2390. However, we're still doing higher lows, and there's something about to give now. Something about to give. We might have a break. Watch out, BBBY, watch out. This one have a struggle, guys. Big seller around the $2.35. FRC. Wow, FRC going toward the 1675, and ultimately for today at least the $19. Let me just check if we go around the 19. Another 20%. It's doable, is doable. We need to be patient. We need to be really extremely patient with FRC. I'm just saying, guys, it's been down for a while, and this is the first time we have this genuine buying pressure. So we need time. This one could actually run, really good run. We might have a huge run. We have to let it do its thing. That's the idea, guys. You only have to do mistakes. The idea is to learn fast. To learn fast from your mistakes. UCAR. Let's check this one. UCAR got rejected around the $10.50. Not good, guys. This one warning sign. Really warning sign. $10.50 got rejected. Now around the bottom support. If we broke the $7.50, Luis or John, I don't suggest to buy. We might have the $1 for it. So not good to enter if we broke the $7.50. First 15-minute pullback. Wow, ACON is still strong. Still strong, but we might have another pull down around the $1.67. This is good accumulation here. We might have a break for the $2.35 soon. If we have this, we're gonna have a huge squeeze, really huge, around the $2.30. yeah, huge. We need another pump, another 4%. Another 4% for FRC to take profit around the 1675. We have a pullback now for FRC, pullback. There's a trick here, guys. The idea of like entering, then exiting, then entering once again for mini trade. So the idea, if you entered, let's say for FRC around this area, okay, then the price go up. Then you see this selling pressure. You want to exit to protect your profit. I will say, okay, it's good. But the problem is of this kind of trade, if you don't want to maximize your profit, is entering really high. So if you exit it here around this sell-off and then re-enter it again here, okay, your stop loss or your entry will be really high here instead of there. So usually some trade is better not enter and exiting, but stay and take a profit ultimately around the 19 or beyond in order to maximize your profit and never lose money on the slippage, on the fees, on the like a lot of things that actually come to play and make you lose money. So yeah, you have to be extremely careful, because even for a lot of brokers that when you buy, they give you really bad entry price, because when you enter with market order, instead you enter now around the 1570, no, they give you 15, or they give you the price around the $16. So your average will be really high, you know. So that's why it's just always enter around the support and never exit. If we don't break the support, you just keep it, just hold it, because you enter around really good breakout. You don't have to exit, you have to maximize your gain and never exit until we hit the ultimate profit taken for today at least, then re-enter for the next day. So I learned this by the hard way, because when I check my trade, I see like that I lose a lot of money by entering and exiting, by some fees, and yeah, my entry will be really high, and I lose money because I put another stop over high and I put the stop loss really near. So I started to lose money because of that, entering and exiting, and that maximizes my profit. Yeah, ACON looking dangerous. At the moment, looking dangerous. You know what's the trick now for many stocks like this one that pumped almost 200%? When we have a resistance now around the $2.30 and you want to enter once again, the strategy is different, because when we enter before, I have like this trade on my radar in pre-market for a few hours. So I was watching it. I was keep my eyes on support and a lot of things that I'm like to add more confluence to my trade. But when I exited around this level and I want to enter once again, there's a lot of things have to confirm my trade before I enter. So that's why when I exit and re-enter again, the confirmation for my trade will be the same, will be less strong, you know. So that's why the second entry I will never enter like with the big position, because there's a lot of fake out, there's a lot of possibility that the trade will go down on me. So that's why I'm more hesitant when I said the $2.37 should be a resistance, and it was a resistance. That's why I don't want to enter now, because we have a bit of weakness around this flag. So we have something going on now. So the more you wait, the more data that you can actually have. So that's why patience is the key. And the more that you wait, the more that you have more confirmation. So we need more data. We need more data for this trade. And how we have more data, we have to be more patient. Okay. FRC, we have a pullback. Let's see how much we pulled back from here. Wow, 4%. You see, man, look at this. So you have to be willing to lose 5% from the trade that you're already up to, like you're already up on, like let's say this one we already up almost 11%, but you have to be willing to lose almost 5% from your trade in order to be willing to gain 8%. So this is the thing. You have to think about how much you lose if you hold the trade, but at the same time you have to think about how much you gain if you're still holding. There's a lot of things come to play, man. That's why a lot of people take profit early, you know, because they can't take the stomach of seeing the gain goes away. Wow, we got Tesla. A lot of people talk about Tesla. Wow, Tesla's bumped down. Yeah, because we don't hold the 160. Yeah, 160 something around this area. Yeah, dumped down because we got bad earnings for Tesla. Yeah, we're already kind of. Let me just. Yeah, Tesla's tricky now. Really tricky now. Let me just take this. Yeah, it's going toward the 139. So I'm watching the 139 for a good entry. Wow, yeah, 139 guys, 139 should be a good support for Tesla. This one not good, INTC not good, breaking mini support. Yeah, because we broke from this flag down, the SPY is down. You see, the market is down, but we're already up 60% in the day. You see what's happening here? When we trade the other stocks, we could actually make money even if the market's going down. You see, The most important thing, if we have a strategy for the other high risk trade. One of you said it's not good to buy those stocks because we could actually lose all our money because like BBY got bankrupt. But the solution is get in, get out. Get in, get out. You don't have to stay. You don't have to stay. There's no rule tell you to hold the stock. If you don't want to hold it, just sell it. And that's what we did in BBY trade around this flag. If you remember when we did this chart analysis update everywhere, we did it here on TradingView, we did it on our Discord when we said this 2644 should be a reversal. We did this and you see it here on the 20th of April and the price reversed, then sold off. But if you don't hold, it's good. You're already took your profit. So this is the lesson here. Don't hold. And this strategy, of course, doesn't like comply with the other stocks, the blue chip company. I'm talking about the stock that below the $1 and the riskiest stocks. ACON, that's why we sold it, guys. That's why we sold it and took our profit below the $2.30. Many of you took profit around the $2.15, $16. It was a good trade. You see what's happened here? This is FOMO price. We don't have expand our profit to the maximum because nobody can predict the top, the exact top. Nobody. We just predicted the top by a few cents, yeah, but not that perfect. So we have to take profit below that just in case. That's why the price went down. And guess what? Now we have a flag. So there's something about to happen. Yeah, something about to happen right now for ACON. I'm just telling you guys, something about to happen. FRC is about to dump down once again. Let's see if we hold. We don't want to lose another 4%. Boom. Yeah. I'm waiting for the 1675, man. Yeah, there is a potential there. As long as we hold here over the 15 is good. ACON is about to bump. Oh man. Okay, ACON is about to pump down or dump down right now from this flag. Right now, around the $2. If we broke the $2, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure, okay? If we saw the $1.99, huge selling pressure. Down, huge selling pressure right now. Come on. Come on. We have to have a huge selling pressure. I really want to have a huge selling pressure to enter around a really good price. Now it's still overextended. Remember guys, we're gonna do a chart analysis update for ACON or the other one FRC, the other stocks that we're watching for today, BBBY. We're gonna do update for them here on our Discord and swing trade. We might have swing trade. Oh, we have another hunter just joined. Let's say hi to him. Welcome, brothers. Okay, let me just check if we have a question. Okay. Welcome, brother. Welcome, brother. So we have a new hunter here. Let's welcome him to our hunter tribe. As everybody knows, you can actually join our hunter channel here. We already opened. Let me just check. The first early hunter, if you want this level, is sold out just for early hunter. The people who actually support our Patreon since almost 2 years now. And the other one, I think we have just one place left. Yeah, just one place left. I think it's ready token. We'll see. So this one, it was sold out as well. So we opened few positions last weekend and already almost closed. We just have one place left on Disciplined Hunter where you could actually get one requested stock each day before the market open. Of course, this one you should send me a message on Patreon. You tell me, Jesus, what you think about Tesla, where's support and where resistant. And the reason why we did on pre-market, because when the market open, is good to know where you enter, where you exit, you know. And of course, the last level we opened. Let me just say, we have just one place left for Elite Hunter. And this one is really good if you want short analysis updates, live alert. After our live streaming, you ask me about any stock, about the entry and the exit, I will tell you exactly. So this is the only level that you could actually have access to me after the market or during the market open, you know. And of course, you have one-on-one meeting, 2 meetings in the month. So this is good if you want to learn how to trade and progress. And we watch your progress and you trade each weekend. We can discuss your strategy and what the things works and what doesn't work. So yeah, the Elite Hunter is really good if you want to take your trades to the next level. So yeah, we have just one left for Elite Hunter and one place left for the Disciplined Hunter. Boom. Okay, BBBY is still holding. ACON is still holding. FRC is reversing. Nice. Okay, FRC, we might have a continuation toward the 16. Perfect. Great, Dave. Yes, you told me that. Elite just joined our Elite Hunter and he said it's been paid for the first month has been paid for in the first day. Yeah, it was good day that you actually joined. At the same day, we did a really good hunt. I don't know which stock that we hunted for, Dave. Can you remind me? I forgot. Which stock that we hunted for that you took the trade with us? ACON, we're gonna do a short analysis update after we finish our live streaming, of course. Again, guys, if you have any question regarding how to join our trading community, please don't hesitate to send me your question about how everything's work. I know like many of you never joined our like Discord or Patreon before and you don't know how it works. It's really simple, guys. It's really simple. So I really understand if you don't know how everything's work and you kind of think it's overwhelming, just send me a message. I will let you know how everything's work. And as you know here, we take everything from complicated and make it pretty simple. As you see here from our chart, we make it pretty simple. How to enter, how to exit, no complication. Straightforward, buy here, sell here, really simple. If you see someone tell you like, I don't know, like trading or physics or what have you, if they tell you it's really hard to explain, it means they don't know what they talking about. This is the best lesson I got from Richard Feynman, the best physicist that actually my role model. He said if you can't explain something really hard for I don't know, like 3 years old or 5 years old guy or girl, it means you don't understand yourself. So the idea is simplification, or make it thing simple from complication. So try to know the basics, guys. The basics is the most important thing. Yes, ACON might make it toward the $2.30 and even over the $2.30. Wow, man, this is great. So Dave, he can actually fly helicopters. It's really hard. A lot of people can do it, but he can actually figure out the remote control and his TV. Man, this is crazy. Of course, John asked about IOTA. What's going on with this one? What? Aha. Man, this one is gonna short, guys. It's gonna get shorted right now. I'm just saying this one is gonna get shorted right now. It's gonna get shorted right now. Yes. Before, yeah, in our live stream, it's gonna get shorted. Boom. Let me just adjust this green to orange. And this is perfect. This flag is about to be broken. Wow, FRC have a struggle, guys, here. There's something going on, man. There's something. It's accumulating. IOTA, let's check IOTA, what's gonna happen to it. Support is $1.06. Support is $1.06. Yeah, this one I'm waiting is still around $3.40. So any price below the $3.40 is really risky to buy. So watch out for the $3.40 now. Is you could actually buy here if you want, because it's kind of near the support, which is over the $1. So if we held over the $1, we're gonna have a huge squeeze, and you can take profit early around the $2.27 and the $3.40. So there's two strategy, John. Either you buy here and you take profit around the $2.25 to $3.40, or you wait for more confirmation after we break the $3.40 and take profit around the $4.90. Wherever you feel like it. There's always many ways to trade. Wow, ACON on the downside. Yes, we broke our flag down. Now, time to short. Time to short. The short seller is shorting the market. Yeah, we got pullback now for many stocks. ACON is going down. We took profit right around the $2.15. Yes, here around this area, and we entered around this area, the $1.43. It was really great trade. It was almost 50%. Yeah, 50% gain. Now the price go down. So know when you take profit. Don't get greedy, of course, but if you have profit taking set before you take your trade, it doesn't called greed. It's called discipline, because you hold and you didn't get FOMO and you let the price go to your profit taking. But if you enter a trade and you don't know where your profit taking target and you just hold like this, come on, this is is not even FOMO and it's not greed. It's kind of nonsense, because you don't know when you exit. And when the price go down on you, you panic and you sell. You lose the profit taken that you actually take 50 or 60% gain. You lose all of it because you don't have an exit. Okay, see what's happened here. We're still kind of undecision. We have kind of fake out around the $1.90. Now we have a spike. So let's stay away from ACON at the moment. FRC, I'm still looking for this one. I'm still holding it actually. We're already entered around the 1420, so our average is good. Cash 247. Okay, I'll try to reply to you, brother, when we finish our live streaming. Exactly, Alvaro. Let the price come to you. Exactly. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on now? What's going on? Okay, we have a breakout. Okay, this is what's a bit shabby trade here. We didn't have a breakout from this flag. We have it breakout from above. So we have a breakout now for ACON. We kind of have a breakout. FRC is still holding, guys. FRC, we're waiting for another pump toward the 1675. And this one is about to pump. This one is about to pump right now. Okay. Risky play here. ACON, FRC, BBBY. We have many trade to watch out for after we finish our live streaming. Let's organize our trade for power hour. We got FRC, we got ACON, we got BBBY, because still the prices try to break this level. GETR no, UCAR no, GETY looking interesting here. Maybe GETY, maybe. Hologram, not today, brother. MULN, not today. TMPO, risky. AUGX. You know, just one glance, I can see if there's something going on or not. You know, I don't have to waste my time here. So AUGX maybe, hard maybe. So put it GETY, yeah, MGRX maybe as well. UCAR, no. We broke. Not good. Not good, boy. EYPT. Aha, this one not good as well. We broke. PTBI, not good, brother. We broke the support. Not good at all. Yeah, we have a resistance here and there. Yeah, we have to update our levels. For Wish, yeah, Wish is game over. Toro, game over, brother. CFRX, game over. FRC, game over. TNYA, man, is good. Let me just put it with this trade. Boom. Okay, guys, so we have the list for the power hour, okay? Power hour looking promising. The power hour for today looking promising. I'm telling you guys. Wow, this one not good, guys. And it's not good. As long as we below the $2.30 is not good. So this flag doesn't work. It's kind of shabby. So we have this level. Boom. We're gonna have a sell-off right now if we broke the $1.92 as I promised, and we're gonna go toward the $1.67. We're gonna update you guys after the live streaming here. Just watch out. We're gonna update you guys on the day trade. Watch out, day trade for those stocks: BBY, FRC, and ACON. We're gonna do update chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. Now we have to welcome our hunters. Yes, we have a question regarding AI. A lot of people asking about AI, so we have to do chart analysis update for AI. General, we got question. Good afternoon. Okay, welcome, brother. Okay, we have to reply on our hunters here on Discord. So guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming to do our live chart analysis update for our hunters. We got many questions here on our Discord for AI, so we have to reply on our hunters. So yeah, we have to finish our live streaming and check the question from you guys. If you have any question regarding how to join our Discord and Patreon, because some of you actually send me an email right now and have to check it at the moment. So watch out, guys. We have a huge earning this week. Tomorrow we have McDonald's, we have Verizon, we have UPS, we have Spotify, Microsoft, Visa. So we got Pepsi even. Yes, today is Coca-Cola and tomorrow is Pepsi. This is funny. So yeah, so we're gonna do earnings watch list for tomorrow, because we got a huge list for the earnings pre-market and after hours even. And after that we got on Wednesday Boeing, and the other one Hilton, CME Group, ePay, Meta. Yeah, after market. So yeah, we have to finish our live streaming now and update the chart analysis for our hunter. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, tomorrow we're gonna do a pre-market update and live streaming at the same time. Thank you for watching, and let's get ready to hunt for tomorrow. And please don't get FOMO, let the price come to you and never run after the price. See you guys in the next update.